ইছলামে স্বাধীনতা দিৱস উপলক্ষে দুআষাৰ ক'ব। আলিছা ইছলাম, প্লিজ কাম অন এণ্ড স্পীচ your on Independence Day.
Alyssa Islam, I reading UKG. Today I am going to speak on Independence Day. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August of every year. It is National Festival of India. On this day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag on Red Fort. This day teaches us about the power of unity among Indians. Many red leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and so on sacrificed their life during freedom struggle. It is very proud moment for our country. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Join the big hands to Alyssa Islam. Alyssa Islamor স্পীচটো যথেষ্ট ধুনীয়া হৈছে।